to DrivewayTV. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. On today's episode, we're doing a mini review on the Fez. Since the last video of my car, I've done a fair amount to it. And the first noticeable mod is these Team Dynamic Pro Race 3s, 17-inch, wraps around in Avon ZZ5s for that all-round grip. So at Christmas, Santa got me a Kill All Wipers D-Wipe kit to freshen up the rear glass. Well, if it was clean, you'd be able to go, wow, look how smart that is, you can't see it, but as it is, it's not been washed because of the snow season. So last week, a friend in the club offered me a cheap eBay special back box, and I got it fitted at McIntyre's Leicester by Wayne and Dwayne. Shout out to your boys.
This is not a paid promotion.
And, I'll be putting some clips in of the before and after, and probably a rev off in here, I guess, for the acoustics. Ah, didn't see you there. As you can see, I've took the back seats out just for that race car advantage, you know what I mean? Getting off the light side.
I hand you over to Wayne and Dwayne to do the fabrication work for my exhaust at McIntyre's Leicester. This is not a paid promotion. And now we're going to go do some comparison videos on a private road in Mexico.
all, I'm going to show you the rim gyms. Right here we've got some 17-inch Team Dynamic Pro Race Frees. Pang! Light wheels.
No, you need to not. You drop the clutch but don't rev and it should stall. Rev it a little bit and then drop. You can hear the car in the background. It's not loud at all.